Alright guys, this is Father's Day flea market finds and we got all kinds of crap. Laura, why don't you tell them what we got? She paid for everything today, so
okay, well we'll go over
start with the side.
Yeah. So we got this for $10. It's a Retron 5. It's missing the power cable.
We blew ours up. We had two and we blew up our first one. So for $10, let's give her
And
a
this
shot.
is the color scheme we don't have yet.
Yeah, we have two grays.
We got a Guitar Hero 5 guitar. This is $30.
Yeah.
But that's a pretty good price considering online it goes for more than that and you have to pay for the shipping, which shipping to that's pretty expensive.
Right.
Then I got Skylanders for $1 each. I got the last giant that I needed. And we got a Series 1 Hex that has both of her arms. If you don't know, she never has both of her arms. One of them is normally broken off, so that's amazing.
Yeah.
I just got two cards. That's what I paid for them. Just needed them for deck.
Yeah. Deck filler.
Video games were $2 each.
Yeah, they were a good steal.
Yeah, picked them up.
It was crazy there. There's a million people there today.
Yeah.
So they got Star Wars, the Commie Pac-Man for PlayStation. Pac-Man World, sorry. Oh, cool. Treasure Planet. I remember that movie. That was awesome.
That's why I bought the game.
Yeah. Hitman's a good one.
And Demon Souls.
Demon Souls. And then we got another controller. Ours is chewed by a dog. And then I got, this is Scaleworks Mike, man. You got me thinking about boats. So this was 12. We talked them down to 10. We're going to get it, so we'll see how it goes. I'll even open it real quick because it is in there. And the decals are still there. Everything's still there. Batteries there, chargers there. So we'll get it tested and see if it actually works. It's worth it for the $10, And then this lot, it was $20. With $20, he wanted 30. The real reason I got it was they had two brand new Futaba servos in there. So at the very least, that's at least $10 right there. And then all this other stuff. There's capacitors, transistors, all kinds of stuff. Even a light, whatever the heck that is. I'll go through this. Oh, cool. That's cool. Anyways, I'll go through all of this, and there's battery crap everywhere. For $20, this is full of new, unused parts. So if anybody's an airplane guy and has a use for this stuff, you let me know too. But we did good. Not bad for Father's Day haul. That's a pretty cool deal. So like and subscribe, guys, and check us out later. We hit 1,000 subs, and we're gonna be doing a raffle for the Rollarlo 14. So, anyways, check back. We'll see you when I see ya. Bye.